If you want to get things quickly done, then you might want to consider using shortcut keys. For example, if I were to open up the File Explorer right here, this is what I have, as you can see. So let me just go around over here onto my document right here. And let's say I want to copy and paste out this particular file. So all I can do is I can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here so that I can copy and paste out the file just like that, as you can see. So that is an example of Windows shortcut. And if you were to go around over here and hover around on any of the icons, you can see the shortcut keys for it. Now, if you do want to learn about shortcut keys that you can use in Microsoft Windows, then what you can do is you can go around onto the search menu right here, and then you can click on web right here and type in Windows 11 shortcut keys. So let me just go around and type in shortcut keys right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it shows the search results, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, open the results in browser. And what happens is that you get this page right here, as you can see. So these are the keyboard shortcuts in Windows, as you can see. And over here, these are the shortcuts. So there is copy, paste, and other general keyboard shortcuts like this. For example, for locking your PC, it's Windows plus L right here. For Windows logo, it's Windows plus D right here. F2 is rename selected items, so we can try something like this. So let me just go around, create a new folder right here. So F2 right here, so I can go around and rename that file out right here, just like that. Similarly, what you can do is refresh active window, press F5, and everything is refreshed and so forth right here, as you can see. So you can go around and see these shortcut keys right here, which you can use to get work done faster. So that is how you can utilize keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.